Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you fix for the problem which is that when you make a call or receive a call through dial pad or any internet based app, your voice is not audible. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sazaman Thanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that the call is incoming. I will answer it. It's on WhatsApp. You will see that the caller will not be able to hear my voice.
हेलो
हेलो।
हेलो किधर हो जी आप? मेरी बात आ रही है?
आपकी बात ही नहीं आ रही है फिलहाल।
The smartphone which I am using, which has a mic problem, is Samsung Galaxy A32. Right now you can see it. It has the mic at the bottom right side. To fix mic not working problem, you will need number 1 a heat gun or hair dryer, number 2 a suction cup, number 3 guitar pick or plastic pry tool, number 4 Phillips number 00 screwdriver. Number 5th is Samsung Galaxy A32 charging board. Number 6th T-7000 adhesive. Number 7 is glue remover tool and tweezer. Number 8 is transparent packing tab. Now make sure that you are static free and power off your smartphone and take out the SIM tray of your smartphone. Then you have to start removing the back cover of your smartphone. To remove it, first of all you have to use the heat gun or hair dryer. It will be used to soften the adhesive around the glass back. Then you have to use also the suction cup. It will be used to gently lift the glass once the adhesive is soft. Next is guitar pick or plastic pry tool. It will be used to slide around edges and fully separate glass. Do these steps very carefully because if you don't do it properly, the back cover is of glass, it might break. After removing the back cover, you have to start removing the screws using the Phillips number 00 screwdriver. After removing the screws, you have to remove the middle frame of your smartphone. After that, you have to start disconnecting the cables. First one is the battery cable. Second one is the main board flex cable. Third one is the antenna cable. After disconnecting the cables, you have to remove the screw of the charging board and then you have to replace it with the new charging board. Then secure the new charging board with the screw and then connect all the cables. Then reattach the middle frame and put the screws back into the middle frame. After that, now you have to do the testing. Insert the SIM tray and then power on your smartphone and then make a call using the dial pad or internet based app. In my case, I will receive a call through internet based app which is WhatsApp and test the mic. You will see that my mic will work perfectly.
हेलो
जी बोलेंगे।
जी, आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी?
जी अब आपकी आ रही है।
After that, we were using the glue remover tool and tweezer. You have to clean the corners of your smartphone so that there does not remain any adhesive. Then you have to also clean the corners of the back cover of your smartphone. Then apply T7000 adhesive at the corners of your smartphone. After that, place the back cover on the back of your smartphone. Then at the end, to secure the fit, apply tape at the corners of your smartphone. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you're new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.